Welcome to Spoko AI, your personal English speaking partner. Spoko AI includes hundreds of carefully designed topics organized into a step-by-step learning roadmap. As you unlock each topic, you'll naturally progress from beginner to fluent, improving your confidence and communication skills along the way. In Spoko AI, you can choose from a variety of tutors with different accents and speaking styles. Every tutor uses real, natural human voices, not robotic or artificial ones. You can even adjust the tutor's speaking speed to match your comfort level, making your learning experience truly personalized. Each topic in Spoko AI is a mini lesson with 2 stages, lecture and practice. In the lecture stage, your AI tutor explains the key grammar points and vocabulary in a simple, clear way.
Today, we're talking about job interviews, and our goal is to learn vocabulary and grammar to help you express your professional experiences.
Once you finish learning, you'll move on to the practice stage, where the AI becomes your conversation partner, helping you apply what you've just learned through real speaking practice.
Have you had any job interviews recently?
During the conversation, you can translate the AI's response into your native language at any time. If you're not sure how to reply, Spoko AI can generate suggested answers to help you continue the dialogue smoothly. And if you're not interested in a particular topic, you can simply skip it and move on to the next one.
Sure.
Learning should
Let's
always
talk
feel
about
flexible
common
and
interview
enjoyable.
questions. One typical question is, what are your weaknesses? How would you answer that?
Ready to start your journey to fluent English? Try it for free today at spokoai.com. Practice naturally, speak confidently, and make English part of your everyday life with Spoko AI.